Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can download or install Deepl Chrome Extension. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end. Now, first of all, of course, you need to go to your Chrome browser and simply go ahead and search for extensions. From here, simply click on the first link, which is Extensions Chrome Web Store, and here search for the Deepl. So let me just click here, click on here, Deepl, and choose the first link. Then go ahead and download this one by clicking on Add to Chrome, add the extension, and now simply just wait for it to be installed. And as you'll be seeing here, the progress, you can simply now wait and the extension should be activated. Now, what's next? Simply sign up for free, as you will be seen here. Just put here your email address and here your password. And then click on continue. So it's very easy and simple, guys. Doesn't require much effort. And as you can see now, once you did it, you can then go to any text wherever you are and use the extension. And basically you can translate now any text, improve any text, or simply correct any text that you will find. You can use it in your framework like Google Docs, Google Presentation, Google Sheet, your WhatsApp, social medias. In general, you can use it everywhere. So it's a very good tool to have, especially when you are going to be writing articles. I don't know, like it's like a better Grammarly version, like Grammarly, the tool that helps you to fix Grammarly wrong phrases. Well, this one will help you to not only correct your phrases, but also make them look better, more attractive, and also helps you to translate them in case that was necessary. So yeah guys, that was it. This is how you can add the extension, and see you guys next upcoming video.